The Zombie Toys project has 5 enemies: Zombunnies, Zombears, Helephants, Zombie Clowns, and Zombie Ducks. Even though each enemy looks and sounds unique, they all behave the same. Each enemy comes from a unique spawn point placed around the scene. Once spawned, the enemies pursue the player. If they get within the range of the player, they will start damaging the player with their attacks. The enemies attack the player at an interval, so they'll only damage the player if the player's in range when it's time for them to attack. Each enemy has a different range, does a different amount of damage, has a different amount of health, and is worth a different amount of points. Besides simply moving towards the player and attacking the player when they're in range, the enemies also have to react to some of the player's attacks. For instance, the lightning attack damages the enemy and causes them to be defeated. The frost attack freezes them in place. The stink attack scares enemies away, and the slime attack sticks to enemies, preventing them from attacking and doing damage over time. Last but not least, while the enemies are concerned with chasing and attacking the player, if an ally is spawned, they will instead chase that ally. However, since the ally doesn't have any health, they won't be able to damage it. In this chapter, we're going to learn how to make the various enemies, how to apply their behaviors, and how to spawn them in our world. We're going to walk through the creation of 3 of the 5 enemies, with the other 2 being up to you to complete. By the end of this chapter, we'll have an army of evil zombie toys ready to chase the player to every corner of the level.